Betty, so right in the southern part of the Springfield corridor, where we did start to see some really intense circulation. I'm just going to quote here from the National Weather Service. The circulation is not looking quite as impressive at the moment, but the tornado warning continues. Again, they are keeping this tornado warning not necessarily because we know that there's a tornado on the ground, but because at one time it did pull stronger. There you see the warning popping up. So it was that maybe 5-minute scan, but it's not looking as strong. That's not to say that we can't get a tornado, because all it takes is just this atmosphere to spin up a little bit more. So again, greater Clark County area, southeast of Springfield, you are under a tornado warning. Eastern Clark County, you are also under severe thunderstorm warning. If you are basically in Clark County, east of Springfield, head inside. These storms have been capable of producing 60-mile-per-hour winds, and in this area of red, there was at one time circulation. To the best of my knowledge, we have not had any reports of tornado on the ground. I do know our news team is monitoring the scanners. We are also keeping our eye on AES, but as of right now, we don't have any confirmed reports of a tornado on the ground. So this is what we're looking at. Just a little note for the newsroom. If you're hearing me, I do have my IFB on, so if there's anything that you need to get into my ear, I am available that way. So again, as of right now, tornado warning and severe thunderstorm warnings for Clark County. This does include a sliver, and I do mean a sliver, of Greene County, north of Cedarville area, Yellow Springs. You are getting pounded by rain, but really it is the area in red just to the southeast of Springfield that we did see at one time rotation. It seems like the storm has weakened, especially considering as of about 20 minutes ago, give or take, we did have this area where right there you see it. It is between 525, 526, and about 527 that we did have this area of rotation in the southern part of Springfield. So we did, the National Weather Service, did note that there was this intense area of circulation, and what that means was there was the potential for funnel clouds and tornadoes southwest of Springfield. So if you are joining us here, I believe we are also trying to stream on the Facebook as well. So if you if you were in the Springfield area and saw anything, please let me know that way. But there was a period in particular right at here, 528, just to the south of the Luffle Road area. That is a decent circulation, maybe not the strongest I've ever seen, but certainly enough that it does warrant a tornado warning, just because there was, again, a brief circulation. Now as this system has continued to move east, Dolly Varden area, you're probably going to see perhaps some circulation in the air. It may not be rotating quite as fast, but this is a concern because at any time in this environment, it takes just the right amount of air, the right amount of instability, and these can pull stronger. I've seen it with my own eyes when I was chasing a storm that every couple of minutes it would pull stronger. You'd actually see almost the wall cloud lowering towards the surface, and then it would rise up. This may be a case where we are seeing something similar, but even still, if you are north of Cedarville towards South Salone area, Gladstone area, so where you're talking about far northeastern parts of Greene County, there still may be some 60-mile-per-hour winds to be had in that area. But Dolly Varden area, South Charleston, start taking your precautions now. That means get to the interior portion of your house or your basement area. If you are in a mobile home, try and find a more sturdy shelter. At this stage, if you are in Dolly Varden, prepare for the potential for, again, a tornado. Now looks like they have killed the tornado warning. So hold on, let me confirm this. As of right now, they have canceled the tornado warning. So as of right now, we do have the severe thunderstorm warning. Because of that, I think that we are going to just continue for a couple of seconds here with our cut-in. It is 5:38, so obviously we'll be on the news here in a couple of about 20 minutes, and we'll be recapping any of the storms that move through the area. But at this stage, the National Weather Service has canceled the tornado warning. So to our master control operators at this stage, we will be handing back the the programming towards you. So again, Master Control, if you can put us in regular programming, because the tornado warning has been lifted. As of right now, there is a severe thunderstorm warning until 6 p.m. We'll continue to send you push alerts on Facebook and as well as on our Dayton 24/7 Now app. But at this stage, the tornado warning has been canceled.